about making a nice stock, figuring out how to do a little, I like to do some whittling and shit like that, little woodwork.
Hell yeah, man. Making a stock for what?
For my little single shot 22s.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah, little single shot.
Little single shot?
Little Sears special, yeah.
Yeah. It's just, is it a shorter? It's an LR probably, right? Long right LR, 22 LR like this? Or
well,
short?
It's just a bolt action. So
a bolt action.
Yeah.
It's on red is dead now. Rock and roll on it. Nice. Yeah, go ahead. Fire it off. Fire that baby. M2. Come here, M2. Come here, M2. Atta boy, come on this way. Good boy. That's a fucking neat little gun, man. Oh, that is a neat little gun, man. Wow. When you wrap it when you did wrap it like that, bro, it stayed nice.
Held it good?
Yeah, it stayed nice and level. You know what I mean? I think that's
together.
What's that?
One for one.
Yeah, I'm gonna do yours and then you first and then me second. Ready?
Okay.
Go. On fire. Cold, cold. Nice. That comes out good. Let's see how we did. Wait a minute. Okay, talk to me, go. Hey, dog, dog! Get out of there. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Good. Doug, get out of there. Get out. That's in conjunction is a good way to do it. What do you think you're running into the line of fire? What do you think yours? Special Forces? Huh? Look at how high I am, but I'm all there. I'm all here.
Ooh, look at that.
Where are you at? What were you shooting for?
Headshots, look at that one.
Yeah, man. Where are the rest of them?
Yeah, baby.
See that? Nice shot. Well, if that was your first one, that would have been good.
All right, yeah, it took 9 shots.